Not enough housing around here. We're in a huge housing crisis. There's more people that live here than there is affordable housing. So what BC Housing is trying to do is create an incentive for people to open up their homes. You're looking at $100,000 to build a really, really nice basement suite. And if the government is willing to give a forgivable loan, this could really kickstart the whole housing market availability for everyone. So this is a really good opportunity to jump on board and have this forgivable loan. If you ever sell your house or you want to up the rent after that particular time, that's available for you. So it's definitely an investment into the future of your home.